There's one more thing I want to introduce you to briefly with respect to regular expressions in Oracle. It's called the Oracle Expression Filter. It's a component of Rules Manager that allows application developers to store, index, and evaluate conditional expressions in one or more columns of a relational table. Essentially, it tells you what is an expression filter, match incoming data with conditional expressions, maintain complex table relationships, application attributes. There's a whole slew of information here. Essentially, it allows you to apply regular expressions to the storage and management of data in a database. This can get really complicated. In my opinion, this type of processing is better left to the number crunching capability of front-end application languages such as Java and C and ASP and whatever you use on that level. What you're actually starting to do is you're starting to put too much application logic into the database itself rather than just simple basic structural business logic, which is essentially things like foreign key and primary key checks. I tend to shy away from putting any kind of check constraints in a database because you're beginning to make the validation and masking of data, and you're beginning to put that processing, that verification process of data into the database itself. It tends to put too much of a processing burden on the database. The difference between a database and a front-end application tool is that the database is a data cruncher, and a front-end application tool such as Java is actually a number cruncher. It's good at processing options and controls, such as using if-then-else statements and case statements and object structures. A database is good at storing things and connecting things and doing it efficiently. It's often my opinion when doing modeling to keep the model as simple as possible, not put too much processing power into the database itself. If you want to read about this, you can read about it here. I found it initially by going into Google and searching online for the Oracle Expression Filter. I found an Oracle link right here. That's enough about regular expressions.